Let's take a look into the advantages, disadvantages, and future scope with respect to website and database. As the flip of coin is both sides head and a tail, the same way our system has both advantage and disadvantage. The first advantage is the call alert. Our system has a most important and a salient feature for the user, where the user receives a system generated call warning of leakage. This call helps the user to invoke themselves and just look for the leakage. The second and most important feature is the leakage report. As shown in the system description, the user and the developer gets the log of leakage instances, which includes date and time of gas leakage. It helps for the investigation of the leakage and for the keeping records. The user gets the records on the website, where the developer gets the records on the desktop app developed. The next thing is also getting the current status of the leakage for the user and the developer respectively on website and desktop app, that is, it is safe or unsafe. The next we move on to the disadvantage. The most important disadvantage is that the system currently requires the active internet for processing a call to the user. Processing a call to the user, which can be sometimes impossible if the internet gets disconnected. Further, we are trying to make the system for which there is no requirement of active internet for calling the users. But currently, for the prototype developed, we have made such a hardware that it can stop the leakage at that current instant. Next, every system has a space of improving, and we also have the same. There comes the future scope of our system, that there are three major future scope for our system, that is developing of a mobile application, system feasibility, and system connection. The first and the most important is the development of a mobile application. We are under the research and of developing an application which could be supported by both Android as well as the iOS for easier and better functionality. Next, moving on to the system feasibility, is here in this part the hardware is currently connected to the port of the laptop for receiving the data from the microcontroller. We are having research for the same for the wireless connection of database and the hardware. Next point is the system connectivity. While displaying this prototype, we are on the local host. We, the Eagle Detection team, would like to buy and shift to its own server for better functionality of our system.